The traditional landmark approach for cannulation of internal jugular vein at times becomes extremely difficult because of anatomical variation and associated features like body habitus, volume depletion, and shock. The use of ultrasound guided technique reduces the time to cannulate, number of attempts, and hence the overall complication rate. That's why now this technique is recommended as a standard of care by most of the societies. It is very important to understand the basic principle of ultrasound before proceeding to use it. The machine has two main components: scanning unit, the transducer. Use the on-off button to turn the scanning unit on. Click the examination button. You will see multiple options. Now click the desired CVC option for central venous cannulation. To assess the accurate depth and obtain a clear image of the target structure, adjust the depth and gain knobs as required. As the gain increases, the quality of image gets better. The transducer which we use for the vascular access is the linear one having high frequency, which is best suited for the superficial structures. A mark called position marker is present on the one side of the transducer, which correspond to the position marker on the left side of the monitor. It is also helpful in knowing the medial and lateral relationships of the vessel. The basic principle of the preparation and sterility is the same. However, with the ultrasound technique, we have to take care the preparation of transducer as well. One may modify this step according to the availability of equipment. After making the proper position, now perform the scan. The three structures will be visible: the internal jugular vein, carotid, and thyroid. The vein lies lateral to the artery. As compared to the artery, the vein has compressibility, irregular and large in diameter than the artery. Further verification can be done by using color Doppler. The Doppler image of the vein shows the flow away from the transducer, indicated by blue color on the monitor, while the arterial flow is red, indicating flow towards the transducer. This can be further confirmed by using pulse wave Doppler. Needle out of plane or short axis view is usually used for the location of internal jugular vein. In this view, you will get the cross-sectional image. Now insert the needle. As the needle penetrates the skin, it should be seen on the monitor. One should not advance the needle until he sees the signals, which can be adjusted by changing the position of the transducer. Follow the needle path to the vessel and confirm the entry by getting the venous blood in the syringe. Pass the guide wire and confirm its position by using in plane or out of plane technique. Rest of the technique is same as we do without ultrasound technique.